Ayy, I told you I was lit. Ayy, I told you I won't quit. Ayy, watch you make this hit. Hey, 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 hey. Okay, 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 okay. Oh. What's up, my Nana Lovelies? I'm here with another video, okay? My Nana Lovelies and gents, okay? Because I know it's also natural hair men out there that wear their hair natural, just like us women. So welcome back to my channel. I am grateful for all my subscribers. I appreciate you guys. Thank you very much. So today, I'll be doing a wash routine. Yesterday I did a detangling routine with my fingers. If you want to see that, go watch it, okay? Because it's lit. It's lit. Like those young kids say nowadays. So, yeah. I'm going to just get into it. Okay. So now we're about to get started. I'm going to rinse my hair. Yeah. Let it go, let it go, let it go. Let it go. Okay, now we're gonna shampoo standing up. Isn't that awesome? We're gonna make a mess. So we're about to get into the hair now. This is the shampoo I use. It is tea tree oil shampoo. Yes, it's good for the scalps. It's good for my scalps. Itchy scalps. Now, I keep my hair in sections when I wash it. So I'm going to keep it twisted while I first start off by adding shampoo to my scalp. I go directly to the scalp with the shampoo and I scrub with the balls of my finger. Not my nail, but like the part under the nail. I'm not really scratching my scalp because I don't want to like irritate my scalp by scratching the crap out of it. So yeah.
Hey y'all, it's Grandma Smoochie on the mic. So she just putting a bunch of shampoo in her hair. Cause she need the whole dang bottle. Okay? And she gonna scrub it and massage her hair. Yeah, that's all I was trying to say. Scrub all the dirt out of there. Yeah. Gonna take some more shampoo. And she just scrub it. And I don't have much to say no more, so I think that's it. I think so. Yeah. Just keep watching the video.
Okay, so hey y'all, that was my grandma. Like, don't pay no attention to her. She don't know what he's talking about. But anyway, I'm about to just show y'all how I do the front. Okay, so I'm just scrubbing. I put a bunch of shampoo because my scalp be dirty. Okay, and you gotta get all that dirt off. All right. So yeah, just scrub a dub and
you know, clean it as good as you can, girl. But be gentle with your hair, because if you gentle with it, it's gonna be gentle with you, boo boo. Okay, so yeah, you know, scrubbing with the ball of my fingers, like I said earlier. Okay, and I'm just getting all the dirt. I want all the smoke. Then you gotta get some edges, girl. I know you be putting that edge control on your edges. You know, make sure they clean, girl. Okay, okay, girl. Now you're just gonna keep scrubbing. You're gonna repeat the process. All right, good.
So I just rinsed out a lot of it. I'm not done yet, but the first time I just focused in on my scalp. The second go around of me washing, I washed my whole. What the heck am I trying to say?
I wash all of my hair the second time. I try to only do 2 washes because I don't want to dry the heck out my hair. It's not good to dry your hair out too much. So yeah, I'm gonna get into it. You gonna see what I do.
So hey guys, I'm back on the mic. My granddaughter is always, I don't know what's wrong with her, but I'ma just finish this voice over for y'all. So I'm just scrubbing again, but this time I'm going through the hair. I mean, my granddaughter's going through all the hair. No, wait, that's not my granddaughter. Oh, dang it. Oh, no. She's scrubbing through the hair. And she gonna twist it up, make sure it's nice and juicified without the shampoo. I don't know what she doing right there. I don't know what she doing, but yeah. Alright, so now I think she done washing it all out now. She just came back, but yeah, we about to use this conditioner, tea tree conditioner. This is the Balm.com scalp treatment, yeah, from Whole Foods if you want some. So now we're just gonna get some clips, okay? Some little clippy clips. Yeah. Now we're gonna keep it in sections, and we're just gonna condition the sections that we had washed the hair in, okay? And then I'ma just go through it with the conditioner. You need like 50 pumps of conditioner, not no downsize. You need a puddle for your hair, especially when it's this thick. Okay, they lied when they said a downsize. Now you just gonna rub it through real good. Make sure it's nice and soft. Okay, rake it through the hair so it can be detangled the next day when you go do whatever you're gonna do to it, you know. So yeah, that's basically it. And you want to really get them ends, because the ends need the most love, all right? Yeah. Now you're just gonna finger detangle it a little bit, just a little bit, so it'll make it a little easier on yourself when you style it. And you're gonna twist it right up like that. It's gotta be nice and juicy. Nice and juicified. Alright? Gotta make sure it'll take a long time to twist this up. Goodness gracious. Alright, I think that's it. So I'm gonna come back later. So she's done conditioning her hair. She got a plastic bag. I don't know why, but I guess she gonna put her hair in there. I think she gonna let it condition and stuff. Cause her hair sure can't fit under a regular cap. It's just too much. The struggle is real over here, trying to get it in there though. And there you go. If y'all like this video, please like it. Comment down below and subscribe. I'ma see y'all next video. Bye.